Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to your daily update on Celestia. A little bit of a bearish update. Yesterday we got a bearish breakout. Yesterday evening got that bearish breakout. Here you can see, like in terms of market structure, I still expected the price to go up to go up even more, right? It is true. I mean, if you take a look at this, we did lose this significant trend line on the 19th, so 2 days ago already. So we did lose that, but I still had faith, as long as Celestia was able to hold 6.4 and 6.2 as a support level, that it would be able to consolidate in this area between 6.2 and 7.5 and still eventually break out towards 8.5. Well, in the end, it tested that level around 6.4, 6.2, and it broke down below that. So now the market structure is different. You can very clearly see on the 1 hour time frame, it was bullish. Like you can see very, very clearly, if I'm allowed to use the brush, that bullish momentum, range, bullish momentum, range, and then usually that range turns into a continuation. It just does. In this case, it was a bearish breakout. So is that the end for Celestia? I think not, but personally I have turned more bearish on it. All right, this is the open interest in the last 24 hours, has dropped down from about 150, 160 at the top towards 125. It's quite a big decrease, first of all. And then second of all, this bearish breakout is just pretty big, all right? Like on the 1 hour time frame, Celestia even broke down below to the 200 EMA. On the 4 hour time frame, it held the on the 4 hour time frame, it broke down below the 50 EMA. So that's all. Like the only support level holding it up still is 5.5, which is a strong technical support level, and it's also supported by the 382 fib. So there's potentially is still a chance that Celestia will recover from here. But it is now most likely that it will continue falling down, because the market structure, especially on the 1 hour time frame right now, is just bearish. So I do expect a little bit more support from 5.5, but the moment 5.5 breaks, it is over. All right, then it's confirmed that Celestia, well, at least most likely, is bearish. All right, and that will continue down towards 5, 4.8, and then eventually all the way down to, well, $4 probably even. So it can really fall down quite a bit. If it breaks down below 5.5, I think right now Celestia still has one last chance, because the open interest, like if you take a look at it, in last week, still higher than last week. It's still higher than for example, on last week Friday, when we were already very bullish as well. So there is still potential, but what would need to happen is Celestia would need to find support at 5.5, and then from that support, break back above 6.2. All right, then it's on top of 6.2 again. It can consolidate here and get back up towards 7.5. But as you might imagine, it's going to be tough to get towards 6.2. And then we haven't even talked about breaking above that. So, I mean, that just doesn't seem most likely anymore. It seems most likely now that we got so much bearish confirmations by breaking down below 6.4, 6.2, all of the EMAs, including the 200, seems more likely that, sure, it's a possibility that TIA will test those levels at $6, 6.2 potentially, but that the resistance that's there will be respected, and that TIA will eventually break below 5.5 and subsequently break down towards $5, 4.8, and after that even lower, because then the market structure is bearish, and it will continue being bearish until a strong support level has been found. So those are my thoughts for today. So if you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.